I volunteer because it's a great opportunity for kids to hear the gospel and to know how they can become a Christian.
I volunteer because where else are children going to hear about the gospel? They don't get it in school, if they don't go to church, if they don't get it in their home. It's an opportunity to reach out to children and to share the gospel, and hopefully many will come to the Lord as their Savior.
Even though we've been on staff for a while, I can't leave the ministry alone. I believe in what it does. I'm fully committed to it. We need to be able to get the word about CEF and information about CEF into our churches, into our homes, so that parents hear about it, so they recognize that it's a viable ministry, important in the process of reaching children for Jesus.
There's just no opportunities for kids to know about God. Volunteering is a great opportunity to reach children with the gospel.
If you're thinking of supporting the ministry, it's an opportunity to serve the Lord.
Yes, we retire from full-time work, but we never retire from needing to reach kids for Christ. That need will always be there, and if I can have a part of it, I will.